Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to put your iPhone in diagnostic mode, which is something Apple support might ask you when it comes to troubleshooting your iPhone. And we're going to show you how you do that in a couple steps. So let's get started. So in order to put your phone in diagnostic mode, first thing is you need to power off your iPhone. So generally you can power it off by holding either the volume up or volume down button and then the side button at the same time. That will activate the shutdown menu. So if I press volume up and the side button at the same time, you can slide to power off, or you can simply go into your setting of your iPhone and then go to general and go all the way down where it says shutdown and click on that, and then you can slide to power off as well. And you can also ask Siri to turn off your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and slide to power off the phone right here, and once you power it off, give about 30 seconds for your phone to fully completely shut down, and then we'll follow the second method. As again, the first method is turning it off using one of the methods that we showed you. So once the phone is completely turned off, the next method requires you locating your volume up and down button. What you'll do for this part is you'll hold the volume up and down button at the same time. So you need to hold these two buttons at the same time. And while you're holding these two buttons, the volume up and down, but at the same time, you'll want to connect your iPhone to a charger, and then you'll see the Apple logo appear. At that time, you'll let go of those two volume up and down buttons. So in real time, I will show you how to do that. So I have my charger ready here, and I have the phone here. So I'm going to hold it with these two fingers here, right? Don't click on the side button, just the volume up and volume down. And while you're doing that, you're going to go ahead and power it on, and then you're going to keep on holding these buttons until you see the Apple logo appear, and then at that time you'll let go of that button. Again, during this whole process, I was holding the volume up and down, and then I connected to it, and I waited about maybe 5 seconds or so. When I saw the Apple logo appear, I let go of those volume up and down button. And this is a special way to reboot your phone in diagnostic mode, which again Apple support will advise you to do if you're troubleshooting your iPhone. So here, as you can see here, it comes to diagnostic and repair, which allows them to identify any potential hardware software related issue with it. To complete a repair, a system configuration step may be required. Basically, on the Apple support, they'll tell you to run this, and they have it on their end to be able to take a look at the phone. So if I click on that, next thing you'll need to do is connect to Wi-Fi, and once you connect to Wi-Fi, it will start the diagnostic. Here I'm not talking to Apple support right now, so once I do that, it will just ask me to exit out. And then to exit out, you click on exit out, or click on exit or end session, and then it will go completely black, and you'll see the Apple logo appear. At that point, you'll just wait about couple seconds maybe or so till you see the Apple logo, and it should reboot normal out of that diagnostic and repair mode that we have seen. So as you can see here, we see the Apple logo up here, which is a good sign. And as you can see here, it's a normal turn on. And as you can see here, my data will not be lost using this method. So all of your photos, videos, apps, documents should still be on your phone without any issues. And that's how you do a diagnostic mode, how you put your phone in it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys the next time.